Alright, you know what I'm saying? Hey yo, check it. It's Uncle Fest in the building, you know what I'm saying? We got Manolo in the building, you know what I'm saying? Alright.
And I'm talking about my motherfucking poppers. I got niggas in the hood, they are fucking popular. Real top shotters, and I'm talking about my partners. Young gangsta nigga out there living for the guala. Nigga ain't scared to die about that motherfucking dollar. Bad bitch with me and she said she wanna holler. I ain't got shit, I drive my homeboy and Paula. Nigga looking at me cause I got this fucking gold on. Michael Kors on my wrist, me and bitches don't get along. Brain poison the cup, man, you won't understand. It take a man to beat the blood out of another man. Cause most niggas ain't got it fucking them. Lord ass niggas, they ain't got enough wind them. They quick to pull the trigger, cause they scared to throw hands. Man, these niggas just bitches, man, that's all I'm saying. I'm the same nigga from way back then. Now I'm getting kinda pissed, did you get a win? Or the fucking paraphernalia. Nigga be dealing with a cold-blooded feeling. On 4 weeks, snitch that stay tell. Nigga get locked up, shit, I got it bailed in. First situation, take care of my niggas' kids. I'm a real nigga, and you can mind your own business. Cause you don't know the shit I go through, don't know the shit I went through. What you say you wanna buy, got Molly's on my menu. Got that grade 2 niggas say they want this sour D. Come with $20 a gram, a nigga, you can't smoke for free. Nigga, I already know you heard my biography. Give me fucking the world and I ain't leaving apologies. This shit is so poetic, man, these niggas threatening. Cause I'm in this bitch and I don't even get the message. I'm trying to tell you niggas that I'm back at it. You try to steal my bitch, I am a jackrabbit. You get the knowledge, still doing it. Number 1, why these niggas still number 20? Got Pumas on my feet, and nigga I run like a fucking lion when it's time to get my meat, nigga. You already know how a nigga ball, dawg. I'm Dwayne Wade and I dunk on all of y'all. I'm something like AI, cause they don't fucking like me. I'm something like KG, them niggas kinda scared to fight me. You niggas know what's up when you fuck with one test. I come through in an all fucking black vest. Shoot a nigga up, might get a fucking check. I told the ref if he call another shot, check this. I'ma come and find your fucking wife, nigga. And I'ma put that pistol in her life, nigga. All my fucking life I always been a go-getter. Cause I already know bitches don't like broke niggas. Shit, I don't even like broke niggas. I like intelligent black men. You know, go-getters. That's why this cuz so serious. Nigga with the shit. Point blank, period, exclamation mark, comma. Another conjunction. Nigga can't function. I'm trying to tell y'all niggas. I'll tell you.
He's like another confunction. He's like, damn.